positive. First time donor to. First time. First time. Very good.
This is the annual feature of the government ITI Panjim. Annually they organize this blood donation camp, and it is added occasion for me to be happy because they do it on the eve of my birthday. I'm grateful to the principal, the chairman of the managing committee of the ITI, Mr. Don, his colleague, Mr. Desai, and especially the students who have come forward to donate blood. This is a really noble gesture on their part, and I am told that there are about 80 young boys who have come forward to donate blood, and this is going to help GMC Blood Bank in a big way. I encourage them to do it regularly so that the need that is felt at times by families who are in distress and needing blood.
Well, it's a happy occasion for all of us here. Basically, to do a blood donation camp, a drive which is almost required in Goa after GMC has come up with a cardiac department, and where open heart surgeries have been conducted every day. There are around about 3 or 4 surgeries conducted every day, and each surgery requires about 5 to 6 units of blood. So we try to locate for any good occasions, and here we found one that our director is celebrating his birthday. And we said what best gift we could give is to have a blood donation drive. So the principal and the other faculty members here took that initiative, and our young boys at ITI were eagerly ready to come forward and have join in big number at this drive. So I believe by end of this camp we would be with about 70-75 units of blood, and that will add to the kitty of Goa Medical College's blood bank.
So, blood donation it's a unique way of celebrating, or it's probably how I look at it is when anybody has crossed the age of 18, 18 वर्ष जायना पुढे, फर्स्ट टाइम, सेकंड टाइम 21-22 वर्षा पयलीं जर तुवें ब्लड दिलें जाल्यार तुका फुडें ब्लड दिवपाक बरें पडटा.
Vertical area. Today's also yeah, today I'll see when it is available.
Thank you.